True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, how you all doing? I'm in the St. James area. Yeah, man. The 14th of November, heading towards Bogue Road. Yeah, man, we all know so the storm Melissa affected Jamaica. So this is what it looked like November the 14th in St. James. Yes, people, you see a lot of traffic. Yeah, man, a lot of traffic. So if you wish to travel this area soon, you will see what's taking place here. So you can indicate where you're watching from. Yes, you can indicate where you're watching from. And big up yourself anywhere you watch from. Take the time out to show them what go on in Jamaica. Because a lot of people want to visit Jamaica and book them ticket from back then and don't know what to do. But this is what it look like. I see a lot of people. They might clean up the place here, so lighting a lot of fires around in the area. So the police officers working. Yeah, man. I don't see where they have any light in this area. Look at me, see no sign. So I'm right at the Herbert Morrison Technical High School. That's where I'm at the moment. November the 14th, guys. After Hurricane Melissa run through Jamaica, leave in the comment section where you're watching from. Big up all the hustler them. You see a lot of power lines down. See a lot of zinc on the road there. Boss a hustle. Hustle your Pepsi and your ginger beer and banana chips. Nothing cannot beat the hustling, guys. So much debris up on the roadside, so you can see some zinc off of the. I think it is cool. Yeah, man, a lot of zinc on the roadside. So guys, Just sitting at the traffic with me and just enjoy the ride, you know? Enjoy the ride with the tour guide, man. Just enjoy it. Go on the road, no me people. Go on the road. Oh, it's a police officer up there, so keep in the line, keep in the line. Yeah, man, keep in the line. Don't broke it. Good thing say me come out of the line a while ago, me paper. Traffic could have killed me for days. So we're heading towards the Bogue Heights area, the turn off. We go up Bogue Heights. Look at the hill, guys. Some places where you couldn't see a Jamaica before, yeah, see them now. I can see where them like them a cut the highway up in the hill there. Watch other place there. Mash up, guys. Mash up my people. Look up on the hill, man. Jamaica. So Bogue Heights is on your left. Bogue Heights. already. So thanks for watching, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah, man, I'm a tour guide this side of Fire Reid. Big up on yourself, anyone out there. Yeah, and abroad, you can big up on yourself.